Welcome back to my YouTube channel Andy Maths. Today our topic is integration, or we see the example which is asked for 2 mark. First example is evaluate integration to n square x. We write in your solution as same to same, or see here one of the formula 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So therefore sec square theta will be equals to therefore tan square theta will be equals to sec square theta minus 1. When 1 goes on this side, it will be negative. So here is x, tan square x becomes sec square x minus 1. Or we know that the integration of sec square x is tan x, the integration of 1 is x. Solve integration 1 upon 1 plus cos 2x dx. We write in our solution, or see one of the formula here, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 equal to cos square x. This is the formula of cos square x. But when these two goes this side, we got 1 plus cos 2x will be equals to 2 cos square x. That's why we write in place of these 2 cos square x. 2 is constant, that's why it will be outside the integration. Our remaining term is integration 1 upon cos square x. Or 1 upon cos square x is sec square x, because we know that when cos goes in numerator, it becomes sec. So there is cos square, that's why sec square x. Or we know that integration of sec square x dx is tan x plus c. So that's why integration of sec square x is tan x, or c is the integration constant. See another example. Root 1 plus sin 2x dx. We write in your solution, or we know that identity 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta, means sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is the identity formula of trigonometry. So we replace this 1 is sin square x plus cos square x, or sin 2x. We know that the formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So we replace this sin 2x is by 2 sin x cos x. Replace this sin 2x by 2 sin x cos x. Or we got formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. See here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This design is matched to this. So we combine this by formula a plus b whole square. So this is over a, this is over b, plus 2 times a into b. That's why we use this formula or combine it a plus b whole square. So this is a, this is b. So we got a plus b square. Or root square cancel. See here, root and square always cancel. We know that root and square always cancel. So this root and square will be cancelled. Remaining term is integration sin x plus cos x. Or we know that integration of sin x is minus cos x, or integration of cos x is sin x. We use here formula number 7, formula number 8 from in our list. Integration sin square x dx. We write in your solution by giving name I. Let I equal to integration sin square x dx. But we know that the formula sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So replace this sin x by 1 minus cos 2x divided by using this formula. Or this 2 is constant, that's why it is outside the integration. Integration 1 minus cos 2x dx. Separate integration 1 minus integration of cos 2x. We separate here integration. So see here, the formula of sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. By using this formula, we separate it. We separate the integration. We know that integration 1 is x, or integration of cos is sin, but cos 2x is complete function because of this 2x. So that's why integration of cos 2x is sin 2x, but we take again derivative of 2x is in denominator. So the derivative of 2x is 2. So I write here derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. So it will be in denominator. See another example. Integration x raised to a plus a raised to x dx. Or we writing in the solution, or x raised to a. For x raised to a, we use the formula x raised to n. Integration of x raised to n, which is x raised to n plus 1 divided by m plus 1, means that we add 1 in power. So here is power is a. So we add 1 in a plus 1, or same to same is in divide. By this formula, we add 1 in power, same to same is in divide. Or we know that formula of a raised to x, integration of formula of a raised to x upon log a. Or here a raised to a raised to a is constant, that's why it is outside the integration. Only dx is remaining in integration, or integration of dx is x. Solve integration tan x plus cot x whole square dx. We write in your solution, or we use formula a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. By this formula, or we can use as like a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can also write this formula as. So we use like this here, a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. This is over tan x is a, cot x is over b. So we write a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we know that tan x cot x will be cancelled. So see here, tan x and cot x cancel because it is inverse of each other. So we got 2 is here, or the formula of tan square is x is sec square x minus 1, or formula of cot square x is cosec square x minus 1. By this formula, 1 plus tan square is sec square x. Therefore, tan square x is sec square x minus 1. By this formula, 1 plus cot square x is cosec square x. Therefore, cot square x will be equals to cosec x square x minus 1. Cosec x square x minus 1. Or this minus 1 will be minus 2 or plus 2. Got cancel. The remaining term is integration sec square x plus cosec square x. Or we know that integration of sec square x is tan x, or integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Formula number 15 and 16 from our list. Solve integration sin square x 2x. So as we already solved integration of sin square x, but here is 2x. So see the formula of integration of, see the trigonometric formula of sin square x, which is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. But here is 2x. That's why our formula change this 2x become 4x because of this 2x. Because sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Or when we change this x by 2x, so this 2x change by 4x. Means if we take double of here, so we must take double of there. So if x become 2x, then there 2x become 4x. So that's why we write 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. This 2 will be outside the integration. Integration 1 minus cos 4x dx. Or after we separate integration of 1 minus integration of cos 4x. But here cos 4x is a composite function. Here cos 4x is a, see here, we separate integration of 1 dx minus integration cos 4x dx. But cos 4x is composite function. Cos 4x is composite function. So integration of we know that integration of cos x. We know that integration of cos x is only sin x. But here is cos 4x. That's why we take it sin 4x. But we take again derivative of 4x is in denominator because of composite function. Solve integration 1 upon 2x plus 1 dx. Here we adjust derivative of denominator in numerator. So first of all, we take the derivative of denominator, d by dx of 2x plus 1. d by dx of 2x plus 1, derivative of 2x is 2, as we know that derivative of 1 is 0, this will be 2. So we need 2 in numerator, that's why we adjust these 2 by multiplying divided by 2 in numerator and denominator. So see one of the formula here, a function in denominator and its derivative in numerator, the function answer is log of denominator. So here is 2x plus 1, which derivative is 2, which is in numerator. See here numerator, that's why we write log of 2x plus 1. See another example. Solve integration sin cube x dx. We write in your solution, or we know that the formula of sin 3x. The formula of sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. But we need sin cube is there. That's why we take sin cube x on right side, or sin 3x in. We take sin cube x on left side, sin 3x on right side, or take this 4 in divide. So we got sin cube x. So the formula of sin cube x become 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4. This 4 is cosine, that's why it is outside the integration. Or say after that we separate integration. This 3 is also constant, take it outside the integration. Integration sin x dx minus integration sin 3x. But sin 3x is composite function. So we know that integration of sin x is minus cos x. So that integration of sin 3x is minus cos 3x. But we take again derivative of 3x is in denominator, which is 3, or after adjusting we got our answer. Evaluate integration dx upon 9x square minus 16 dx. We take 9 is common from there, so 9 will be outside, x square is remaining from there, but there is no 9 in 16. That means that 9 will be divided by 9 divided by 16 means that 16 divided by 9. 16 divided by 9 because there is no 9 in this 16. So we see simple example here, a minus b. If a minus b, when we take a is common from there, so 1 minus, but there is no a in b, that's why we take b divided by a. So same thing will be apply here. When we take 9 is common, so it will become from x square, but there is no 9 in 16, that why 9 goes in divide of 16. Or this 16 by 9 we write like that 4 by 3 ka whole square because of using this formula. See the formula, integration 1 upon x square minus a square dx is 1 by 2a log of mod of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Plus c is there. So here a is 4 by 3. Here a is 4 by 3. So that's why 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 2a this is a log of x minus a, this is a, this is x plus a. Or multiply 3 with x, so we got 3x minus 4 divided by 3, or after is also in 3x minus 4 divided by 3, or when we multiply this 3x with x, 3x plus 4 divided by 3, 3 got cancel, we got our answer. See another example, evaluate integration cos square x dx. If there is cos square x, this become plus, this also become plus, this also become plus, or this also become plus. Integration 1 is x, integration cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2.